So today's video is the second episode of my YouTube 101 series. And as you can see, I will be getting ready for a filming day, which, by the way, is a very exciting video. So watch out for that in the coming weeks. But before we start, I would like to thank Bello for partnering with me in this video. They were kind enough to send over their Sun Expert Whitening Sunscreen. So ayan, of course, I will be using this today because it's very important to use sunblock even if you're only staying indoors. As you know, sobrang obsessed ko with sunscreen. Like, you always hear me advocate na mag-sunscreen talaga every day regardless of what you're going to be doing kahit di ka lalabas. For me, for example, super important for me to use sunscreen kasi nakatapat ako sa araw and then may artificial lights pa ako. I have my ring light right here. So, ayun, I need all the protection I can get kasi super harsh talaga ng mga ilaw. Even the lights from your phones or your laptop. And oh my god, makakalimutan ko pa, but I will be doing a giveaway of these products, so stay tuned till the end of this video. Anyway, as I was saying, today is a special day, at least for me, because I finally found the time to continue this series, which I'm very passionate about. And actually, naisip ko lang siya because I wasn't able to answer a lot of questions dun sa A Midnight in My Life video ko when I posted yung Instagram sticker about mga 3 months ago, I think. So yeah, let's start with this video. Again, I'm going to be using the Bello Sun Expert Whitening Sunscreen, and you might be thinking, ang puti-puti ko na, bakit ginagamit ko pa to? But I'm actually after the brightening effect kasi I noticed na may instant brightening effect siya when you put it sa face mo. Ayan. Pero of course, if you're a user of whitening products, this is perfect din because aside from that, it has SPF 50 and PA++ na din. And what else does this have? It has niacinamide and brightening essence. Niacinamide is vitamin B3 ata, I think. This one is super lightweight. Alam niyo naman ako, ayoko talaga nung mabibigat sa face. And it absorbs really fast. So, ayun. This one retails for 375, I think. Wait. 374.75 pesos siya. And you can buy it sa physical stores like Watsons and SM. Pero, available din siya online in Shopee and Lazada. So, I think better option yon para you don't have to go out na, especially at this time. Okay, so after that, I'm going to proceed with my makeup na, and then I'm gonna answer some of your questions from before na din. First question is advice for student vloggers on how to balance their time, and shout out na din daw. So, hi Erica Lui. So, first of all, personally, student muna ako bago vlogger. So, I make it a point na hindi masasacrifice yung ACADS ko just for the sake of uploading videos. And yun lang talaga, full-time student ako and I do vlogging because I enjoy it. When I started vlogging kasi wala naman sa isip ko na mag-earn ako dito, honestly. Like, I started solely because I wanted to document my life. And also, yun nga, na-enjoy ko mag-film and mag-edit ng videos, and I figured na this can be my outlet kasi. And to my surprise, people actually watch my videos and they actually like my videos. So, nakatulong din yun with wanting to be consistent. And also pala, I think I was able to do this kasi we all had to stay at home. Like, nung start ng year when I started vlogging, it was really a struggle for me kasi super daming ginagawa with school and mostly di ko talaga siya nasisingit. But when I started staying at home, ayun, I had time to edit, to film, and do everything for YouTube, like, without sacrificing my health. Pero kita nyo naman, diba, nung finals, ilang weeks ako hindi nag-upload because I knew na I had to put my 100% sa school, which was my priority talaga. Next is how to be consistent po and to be motivated in being active as a student vlogger. Siguro, I'd say na I just really enjoy doing it kasi. Like, I don't see the need for me to push myself super hard kasi doing it is a reward in itself na. Pero, syempre, seeing all your comments, your messages, it really helps a lot and it keeps me going kasi syempre, hindi naman all the time magiging masaya lang yung pag-vlog and pag-YouTube. I also gained new friends through this platform and ayun, syempre, that's a plus din. Also pala, I've connected with a lot of people I haven't talked to in a while because of my vlogging. So, yun, nakakatawa lang din. Next is, paano nyo po pinopromote yung channel nyo before? So, by before, I think yung when I was starting out pa lang, mostly through my other social media platforms na lang din. Like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, ganun. And before, actually, super private ko pang tao. Naka-private ang lahat yung Instagram ko and Twitter ko. Even my Facebook, like makakita ng posts ko or my friends lang. But slowly, I made my Facebook posts about my videos public na. And ano pala, I made a Facebook page. So, lahat ng related sa content creator life ko, dun ko pinopost. And then, ngayon my Instagram, it's public na. So, ayun nga, I slowly became more open, I guess, and not afraid for other people to see what I do. But you can see it sa YouTube Studio ata, where most of your views come from. Before talaga, most of the traffic to my videos and to my channel come from Facebook talaga. Because, syempre, my family shares my videos din, and like, it reaches a lot of people there. Pero when I made my Instagram public, mostly doon na talaga nanggagaling because doon talaga ako mas active. Bottom line is, share lang talaga ng share because that way, it will reach the people who are really interested in your content. And you don't really have to force people to subscribe or to follow you. Kasi for me, mas important yung you have yung what they call organic followers or subscribers. Because sila naman talaga yung makaka-relate sa'yo and makaka-appreciate ng mga ginagawa mo. This one, how do you earn in YouTube? Shameless vlog. I made a video about that, and if interested ka with that, I'll link it up here para makita mo. You can check it out there. Next is how much time does it consume making content and editing? Okay, ito. Personally, it takes so much time for me to upload a video. Kasi, di ba, my upload schedule is every Saturday, 2 p.m. There are weeks when I'd finish a video super last minute. Like, for example, yung finance vlog ko, I had to stay up until like 5 p.m. I think, just to have that prepared and ready for premiere the next day. But I feel like that's just because I don't really let the whole process take over my life. Like, I don't think I've ever filmed and edited a video in one go. Kasi for me, the filming already takes so much from you. So, parang ako, okay, break muna. Pero iba-iba naman yun. Kasi others just wanna get it over with in one go. And super hands down ako sa ganun. Kasi hindi ko talaga kaya yun. Wait, di ko nasagot. How much time? It really depends on the content actually. Like if sit-down video, it really takes most of my afternoon kasi I film in the afternoon. Syempre kapag day in my life vlog, ganon, it takes the whole day. With editing, it also depends on the video or the type of video kasi for example, for a sit-down video, it has a flow already and you don't really have to think of a flow. Unlike pag vlog kasi it really takes a little bit more time kasi basically, parang ikaw yung gagawa ng flow or you have to make it make sense. Yung week in the life of a med student video ko, super tagal ko in-edit yun. Pero I feel like, dahil may class din nung time na yun. But also, gulo-gulo yung mga clips ko from that. Like, I'll just film kapag naalala ko. And ayun, parang I had to make it look cohesive. Also pala, kapag collab, especially ngayong quarantine, parang super tagal niya i-edit kasi you're basically editing, kunwari, 3 kami, you're editing 3 people just for one video. Okay, so I think class 3 na ako, patapos na din naman ako. But the next one is, may bashers na po ba? If meron, ano pong message na sa kanila? Parang wala pa naman, like sa comments and all, wala pa naman ako nakikita na personal yung attack talaga. Pero kung meron man, wala, hello. You don't have to really spend time on people who don't uplift you or like who don't have your best interest in mind. Parang we have enough problems on our own and what we can do is focus na lang on the people who bring out the best in you and people who have your back. Next is, how long did it take you to get monetized? Ilan ba? It took me, I think, 3 months to have ads running in my channel. Like, kasama na yung time na pag-approve ni YouTube for me to be part of the YPP. Kasi if I remember correctly, super tagal na approve yung YPP ko. Cause yun yung time na nagsa-start pa lang yung COVID. Again, if you're not familiar with the YPP, go check out my video on that, yung Midnight in My Life. I discussed that there. And last, ito na lang. What inspired you to start your channel? I think nakwento ko na to ilang beses na din. But for those who don't know, I started my channel kasi nag-vlog kami ni Aids nung last week niya here in the Philippines before he moved to the States. Tapos supposedly, ako yung mag-edit and upload nun. And honestly, I thought magagawa ko siya after I upload my Europe travel vlog. But ayun nga, ang hirap niya for me. Like, hindi ko talaga siya ma-edit. Kaya ayun, tuloy-tuloy na yung uploads ko. But then, hindi ko pa rin nakaharap yun. So, yeah, that's my story. That's my channel story. So, tapos na din naman ako and that's all the questions I'm gonna be answering for today. But as promised, I will be giving away Belo Sun Expert Whitening Sunscreens. There will be 2 winners of 2 sunscreens each, and all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, of course. Follow me at Shane Uy and at Belo Sun Expert on Instagram. Next is comment down your quarantine hobby together with your Instagram username or Facebook name. And lastly, optional to, you can share this video on Instagram and tag me again at Shane Uy and at Belo Sun Expert and use the hashtag Belo Sun Expert Whitening Sunscreen. I'll be putting everything in the description for your reference, and winners will be announced on my Instagram on August 10, 2020. Guys, oo nga pala, I made a TikTok and I'll be linking my first ever TikTok with Belo down below in the description box as well. And that is it for this video. I really had fun talking about YouTube today and it really made me want to continue this series even more. But if you want to see more of me, please don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. My handles will be down below. So, thank you for watching. Bye!